Corporal Youngblood spots a black Jeep SUV with a Hyundai's plate. Turns out, it's stolen. Driver Derek Alexander takes off, weaving through traffic, hitting speed bumps so hard he goes airborne, and barely avoiding head-on crashes. A pit attempt fails, but heavy traffic finally stops him. Troopers box him in, guns drawn. Alexander's arrested. Turns out, he's got an active warrant and a stolen car. Another bad day for a reckless runner. Trooper spots a speeding motorcycle, but instead of stopping, the rider flips a U-turn and floors it. Hitting 110 miles per hour, he weaves through traffic and even fakes pulling over.
I run about 33 right now. Hold on a second.
Hey, let me see your hands. Get up. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
I wasn't running.
No. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I wasn't running.
Yeah, you are freaking running.
No.
Trooper pits the bike. Rider hits the ground and gets cuffed. His excuse: didn't want his bike to get towed. Now he's got bigger problems than a tow fee. Saline County deputies chase a car doing 80 miles per hour, tossing stuff out the window. Trooper joins in as the smoking car slows down on Interstate 30.
Good rock, Trooper. You actually did 613 to 123. Go ahead. We go to the parking store. South Cedar Street. 123 Table 123, they're trying to get it patching at PASP.
Speeds are real slow. I don't know if a TVI will be successful unless we can get up to a wall or something. We are eastbound, quarter mile from Scott Hamilton, number 2 lane. Speeds are like 25 right now. They're corresponding.
People approaching Scott Hamilton. I'm
afraid if I TVI right now, it may just put us going the wrong direction. We're coming upon Scott Hamilton. Speeds are 28, 30. Occupied 2 times. Looks like an adult male driver, adult female, front seat passenger.
Keyboard speeds 20 and 30, occupied 2 times. 47, what rock on 10 and 10 Joe. 47, 10 that up. 1019 Joe.
TVI, Little Rock, Scott Hamilton exit.
TVI, Scott Hamilton.